Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, a hashtag notification subscribe to my last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below, give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So the ingredients you guys will need to make this slime recipe today is any type of dish soap. I'm just using this palm olive one. You guys will also need any type of salt. I'm just using this table salt I have. Then you guys will need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Okay, so I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate and I'm going to get adding the dish soap into here. I'm just using this palm olive one. You guys can use Dawn dish soap, any type of one you want to use. So I'm going to get adding it into my bowl. And the more soap you have is how much slime you will make. So that's how much soap I'm going to add into this. Okay, now that the soap's in there, I'm going to get mixing it up for about a minute. And this dish soap is a little bit thicker than the other brands, so I like this one a little bit better for making slime. Okay, that's enough mixing. And now I'm going to get out my table salt. And you guys know I don't really like using salt for slime, but today's recipe I'm going to use a little bit of salt, and I have it right there. I'm going to add it into the soap. And I'm just going to mix it up. The activator for this, so I'm going to mix it for about a minute to 3 minutes. Okay, so that's enough mixing, and this soap is super thick. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's very thick, so that's a good way to show that, you know, this will make good no glue slime. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the container lid on here, and now I'm going to put this into the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at this and make sure it's working to make slime. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours, and I actually added some more soap, and I added a little bit of food coloring. But here is the soap, so let's see how this turned out. And wow, it seems really watery. I don't think it worked that well for the fridge, which is kind of strange because usually this works really well in the fridge. Yeah, I don't think this worked well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put this into the freezer now. So I'm gonna put this into the freezer for about an hour, and I'm gonna check on it every 30 minutes, about same thing as I did before. And let's hope it works now. I mean, I did add a little bit more soap, so maybe it might help a little bit. But yeah, I'll see you guys in about a second when it's in the fridge. I'm at the freezer now. Okay, so it's been an hour while it was in the freezer, and here it is. And I'm kind of concerned. It looks like some of it froze right there, which is a little weird. But let's see how this turned out. And wow, this is super sticky, which is a little concerning, but it made like a slime consistency, which is really cool. Just this is beyond sticky. Like, look at that. It's leaving like a really bad residue in my hands, but it made slime, which is kind of cool. I mean, this one is like a really messy version of dish soap slime, so if you guys want to make like dish soap slime but it's gonna be super messy, try this one. That's why I kind of recommend Dawn a bit more. This is kind of like a new brand I use. Even though it's a little bit thicker of a consistency, it's not really the best at making slime, as you can tell. But it made slime. Just maybe I should have put it back in the fridge for a little bit longer, which I think I'm going to do. But it made slime just super sticky, so it was a win-win for me. But yeah, here's how I made no glue dish soap slime. I really hope you guys like this recipe today. Sorry it was like more of a messy one. I mean, this is what happens when you work with soap, because you know, this isn't glue at all, it's just soap, as you can tell. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias, my TikTok, my Instagram, my Roblox even. It's all linked in the description box down below. But yeah, remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!